Here is probably 1,000 to 2,000 Cotter keys. Medium size to small. Here is your larger Cotter keys. There's probably 100 there. Right here is a box of bolts, nuts, stove bolts. You get the box with them. You get these right here. They'll separate these out and put Cotter keys here and that, Cotter keys there and that. You've got our fencing wire. Here's some copper wire. This right here is solid copper wire. Someplace around like 12 pounds of copper wire. Yeah, in a holder here. Right there, guys. I think it's solid copper, isn't it? No.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Look to be.
Yep. Never been used. Nice bunch of stuff. That there's